Hi Bill and Don, this is Riley Duncan. I was just taking a quick video of the property that you're interested in. So as you can see, it is quite a bit thinner than it typically is. There's even a tree that's missing here. But we're behind where the fountain is, and just honestly not all that much traffic back here. So there's one car right here. But as soon as you walk back here, you cannot hear it at all. And then of course you have the water feature, which gets rid of even the slight noise. As far as sun, you can tell that you know, it's definitely more towards the northern. Over there is your sun, so that's going to be on the left side of the pool, so it is a true northern exposure for you. If you have any questions, give me a call.